Senate Democrats supported the most dramatic shifts in health policy in 4 decades. The vote followed months of political wrangling that put a dent in Obama's public approval ratings. It clears the way for tough negotiations with the House of Representatives, which has approved its own version that includes different approaches on taxes, abortion, and a government-run insurance plan.
And though one might slow the progress, they can't stop it. And though one might slow the speed of progress, its force cannot be stopped.
Republican opponents had delayed the final vote to the last day possible under Senate rules, and Senator Mitch McConnell said that the fight against the bill is far from over.
My colleagues and I will work to stop this bill from becoming law. That's the clear will of the American people, and we're going to continue to fight on their behalf.
Republican critics say the bill is an expensive and heavy-handed intrusion in the healthcare sector that will drive up costs, increase the budget deficit, and reduce patients' choices. The overhaul, Obama's top legislative priority, would lead to the biggest changes in the $2.5 trillion U.S. healthcare system since 1965. The bill would extend health coverage to more than 30 million uninsured, covering 94% of all Americans. Passage of the bill was critical for Obama, whose political standing and legislative agenda could hinge on its success. Obama's public approval ratings have dipped to about 50% in many polls as the acrimonious debate dragged on. Amber Lotia, Dawn News.